Hi Sam. I'm excited to see you today. Our word for this episode is
Dame.
Hi Alex.
Dame.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
great question.
Dame.
Has a few meanings in English. The most common one is lady or woman. However, it can also mean dame in a more formal sense, like a title of respect. Just be careful, because in English, dame can sometimes refer to a woman of high social status, which might not directly translate.
So, is there a specific article or plural form for
Dame.
in German?
Yes. The article is,
Die.
and the plural form is.
Damen.
It's feminine, so you can remember that it refers to women.
How do you use
Dame.
in a sentence?
In the present tense, you might say,
Die Dame spricht.
which means the lady speaks. In the past tense, you could say,
Die Dame sprach.
meaning the lady spoke. And in the perfect, it would be,
Die Dame hat gesprochen.
translating to the lady has spoken. For the imperative, you can say,
Dame, komm.
meaning lady, come.
Wow, that's cool. Where does the word
Dame.
come from?
The origin of
Dame.
is quite interesting. It comes from the old High German word,
Dama.
which means lady or mistress. Over time, it evolved into the Middle High German,
Dame.
and has retained that meaning throughout history.
That's fascinating. Can we break it down a bit more?
Absolutely. While
Dame.
isn't a compound word, we can think of the root,
Dam.
which relates to the concept of a lady. There's no prefix or suffix here, but you can associate it with respect and femininity.
Are there any similar words in German that I could learn?
Yes. Let's look at some similar words with the same root or related concepts. For example,
Damenmode.
means ladies' fashion, wear,
Damen.
is the plural of.
Dame.
Another one is,
Damenhandtasche.
which means ladies' handbag. You could also explore words like,
Damenwahl.
meaning women's vote, and
Damenfußball.
meaning women's football.
That's a lot of new vocabulary. Could you give me some real-life situations where I might use
Dame.
Sure. First, Imagine you're at a formal event. You could say,
Die Dame dort ist meine Mutter.
meaning the lady there is my mother.
Die Dame dort ist meine Mutter.
Perfect. Another situation could be at a restaurant. You might say,
Die Dame bestellt ein Essen.
meaning the lady is ordering a meal.
Die Dame bestellt ein Essen.
Great. Lastly, if you're speaking about a woman who won an award, you could say,
Die Dame hat einen Preis gewonnen.
which means the lady has won a prize.
Die Dame hat einen Preis gewonnen.
Nice work, Sam. Now, let's talk about remembering the gender. Since
Dame.
is feminine, you can think of the ending as a common indicator for feminine nouns in German.
That's a helpful hint.
And speaking of usage, you'll want to remember that
Dame.
is a more formal term. Some typical collocations include phrases like
Die Dame des Hauses.
meaning the lady of the house, and
Eine respektable Dame.
which translates to a respectable lady.
Are there any similar sounding words I should watch out for?
Yes. You might confuse
Dame.
with,
Dam.
which means dam in English. Just remember that
Dame.
is about respect for women, while
Dam.
refers to a structure for holding back water.
Got it. Can you give me some German example sentences with
Dame.
Sure. Here are a few examples.
Die Dame trägt ein rotes Kleid.
Meaning the lady is wearing a red dress. Another one is
Die Dame hat freundlich gelächelt.
which means the lady smiled kindly. And you could say
Ich habe die Dame gestern getroffen.
meaning I met the lady yesterday.
These are great sentences.
Let's do a quick recall check now. What is the plural of?
Dame.
Damen.
Correct. What does
Dame.
mean in English?
It means lady or woman.
Right again. How do you say the lady speaks in German?
Die Dame spricht.
Excellent. What is the article for?
Dame.
It's
Die.
One last question. Can you give me a sentence using
Dame.
in the past tense?
Die Dame sprach gestern.
Perfect. You're really getting the hang of this. To wrap up, today we explored the word,
Dame.
its meanings, and how to use it in different contexts. You did a fantastic job, Sam.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed learning about this word today.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and I look forward to our next session.